Pull that seat out of a junk pile in Clint's backyard. It may become the new go-kart seat. It may not. But it's Arctic outside, and that chair is so goddamn cold I can't even pick it up and touch it and walk around with it without it making me cold. So we are heating it up by the heater before we probably pull it apart to see if we can make it fit on the go-kart. Oh, I apologize for the background noise, but here it is. This is an old seat from the 60s off of a chair I zerped the bottom off of just so I could sit in there. And center steering still in mock-up, everything's tacked up. But this essentially is the vibe. So I've got this pretty sweet quick take two. So I've got this pretty sweet quick release hub for a steering wheel that I was going to put in my old Volkswagen that I don't own anymore. I've been trying to figure out how to make this shit work. The holes don't line up. I don't have that. Oh, hang on. Let me see if I can show you. So this don't really be lining up with this. Actually, it does. But what we're going to do is made this adapter plate for this sweet ass steering wheel. Steering wheel's aluminum, so we can't weld it. And we're gonna make this work with this, and then I got the adapter plate, which is metal, so we'll be able to weld this to that, and then make a bigger shaft. I'm not quite sure how we're gonna, because the shaft is too small, so we'll have to sort that out. But yeah, this will go to that. Trim that down, that'll all fit on there, and then this will go to that, and then I'll just... So after fabbing up this absolute piece of shit, which probably wasn't going to work because there is no metal there, but it would have just been one bolt anyway, because there's like 6 that go around it, and then the adapter plate to make that work. I'm just going to do this. It's on there, centered. It's got this one. Sorry, my hand's in the way. But I think that's gonna work. Let me go find the other half of it. Oh, sorry, Mr. Wrench. There's the other half of it. Don't. Okay, there's a lot. All right.
Soon after.
Yep. Okay. Now, I should be able to pull this lever. Boop. There she blow. Something like... Well, we just have to adapt this, because they are not the same size. We're going to figure that out. And now I have a quick release. Looks pretty crusty right now, but I'm going to paint it. But it'll be something like that. Okay, so I'm tired. That is fully mocked up and welded in now. I just need my springs to come in. Got some gas-filled 320cc recommended by you guys. And then we're going to do some stuff here. Weld some washers here to make this not so loose, but knuckle is in, hoop is in, everything's ground down, painted, da 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 da. Hoop here, quick release here. I can't steer it too much because it wants to, the nut wants to, I don't have a bolt on there, but you can see we got steering ish. Be a lot better when you know, it's bolted down. Won't be so flimsy. Yeah, anyway, steer. And if I could do it with one hand, maybe quick release. There it goes. Some of you are asking why, if it does what it does. It does that. Whoops. And I just pulled the whole steering thing out again. But anyway, yeah, it's on there. So we're tired of working on it all day. My buddy has put in more hours on this of not being paid than he probably should have. But I'm almost done ragging him out for that kind of work. So, until next time, later taters, center steer, welded over here, lengthen tie. Oh yeah, I'll explain what's going on here. This is a jack handle. We had to extend the tie rods, and yeah, I'll assume they're stronger now, but welded at both ends, still got all the adjustment. But we just use that jack handle to lengthen them out because that's what we had around the shop. And then we'll assume it's going to work for now. It definitely steers it, so we'll see. Alright guys, until next time, later taters, I'm gassed.